And welcome back to the penultimate pole. This time we're going to take the left source input, there's this cable here, and normally in the off position this signal will just travel straight to the left input of the super sidechain board, and when the switch is on it will then travel through a 47k, which in this step we just connect to the switch and leave, because in the next step that will connect to another pole with the returns. So this left source wire now will go to another spare pole on the switch. Just give this a bit of a heat with a heat gun. Hopefully you can see now how a good idea it is to do the bottom poles first, because now we have the top of this switch is free to allow for some much easy soldering. Okay, just going to make sure it's in the off position. And we can see this third pole connects to that pin there. So in the off position, the left source needs to be directed to the left input of the super sidechain. So we'll just extend this wire. Okay, we'll just, I want to double check again, just I don't want to make a mistake, so I have to do it right first time. Okay, now we switch turbo mode on and just double check which pin this pole connects to. Okay, so this 47k resistor, I'm going to put some heat shrink on it, because basically it's going to go from this contact to another contact we'll select in the next step. Obviously leave a little bit of the legs hanging out so that you can solder to the switch. This heat shrink reacts at about 160 degrees, which this cheap old hot air gun seems to do very well. Just make sure you've got all the areas. Little bit of extra heat shrink just so we can put that over the pin terminal on the switch. And then we can solder this resistor to the contact here. Okay, great. Okay, that's this step complete. The resistors are ready for the next step. Now I can just put some heat on these last bits of heat shrink here.